A very good morning and good day to the panels of NIICE2022. This project with the title of Portable Wireless Hotspot using UAV is a UTM-funded project with the collaboration of UTM. I am Xiashi, the principal investigator of this project with my team members Dr. Zhang Xiaoling and Dr. Lam Hongming. Associate Professor Dr. Liu Jiyuan is our external collaborator from UTM. Let me begin with the introduction of my innovation background of this project. The pandemic of coronavirus has impacted negatively to our daily life, forcing us to working from home and resulting that everyone of us relying on the digital technologies. The availability of the wireless communication is critical for these digital technologies. However, the communication of cellular networks is heavily reliant on the fixed base station, which may be severely disrupted in the event of natural catastrophe, such as flood, earthquakes, or tsunami, as well as the COVID-19. Temporary wireless access, such as the hotspot function, are critical and important for providing users with temporary network access. So, during natural catastrophe, area wireless hotspot can be deployed with the help of UAV as a transmitter to transmit the signal to the ground user temporarily so that they can connect with their families in other sites or other areas. But the communication link that's formed between the UAV in the air and the ground station are affected by several factors such as the frequency, the environments, the altitude, as well as other factors. Therefore, an ideal solution is to design a UAV as a wireless hotspot, which would be important or crucial in the communication system that offer continuous coverage to the ground user who are in an emergency. Next is the methodology of this work. This is the setup of our project. It can be seen that in the air, the UAV is act as the transmitter, with the installation of power bank, Raspberry Pi, USB, and the Wi-Fi adapter on the UAV. So, UAV will be fly to the air and maintain in the air for 1 minute for data collection. The signal will be transmitted to the ground level, and in the ground level there is a portable spectrum analyzer with the antenna act as the receiver. So this portable spectrum analyzer will connect to the laptop to view the real-time signal strength. So receive power is recorded by this spectrum analyzer. After that, all the data collected will be processed and simulation work is done with the MATLAB software. So this is the UAV that we are using in our project. The Wi-Fi adapter or USB is installed here and Raspberry Pi, as well as the power bank at the bottom of the UAV. Next, this is the demonstration of this project. So let me play the video to give a clearer picture. So initially the UAV is on the ground. Then we fly it to the air for the altitude we want. Let's say we want the altitude at 50 meter high. So we'll fly it to the 50 meter height, and then we'll remain the UAV in the air for around 1 minute for data collection. After the 1 minute the data collection is done, then we will fly the UAV down, and that is the end of our experiment or data collection for 50 meter height. Then we will repeat the same experiment with other altitude. So this is the result of experiment. It can be seen that as UAV fly higher, the maximum power is increases. This means that the signal strength is improved as the altitude of UAV increases. So, the novelty of this project is that we are utilize the Raspberry Pi and USB to provide wireless hotspot to ground user during emergency. In terms of the contribution to the society, the project outcomes are great importance for the implementation of 5G cellular communications, and it improves the needs of society and communities to stay connected for all the times. It also provides a better wireless system for the user and support emergency coverage for disaster-stricken areas, as well as to enable the ground user to contact with their loved one in the other side. So, for this project, we have submitted a journal paper to IEEE with the title of The Empirical Channel Models for UAV Conversion, State of the Art and Analysis. This paper is under review. And we have a collaborative research grant MOA with UTM. So, we would like to express our gratitude to the UTHM that funded our project under REGG vote number H885. This project is jointly sponsored by UTHM CRG grant vote number K262 and UTM vote number 08383. I hope that I have given you a clear picture of this project, and thank you for listening to my presentation.